Hello everyone, this is Karthik, Assistant Professor of Information Technology from Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, and I'm going to continue the website. Hello everyone, this is Karthik, Assistant Professor of Information Technology, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, and I'm going to continue my lecture series on routing and switching. Last video we have seen about the introduction of open system interconnection and TCP IP models. And now I'm going to explain about open system interconnection model individually. The topics are covered: introduction, characteristics of OSI model, and 7 layers of OSI model. OSI stands for Open System Interconnection, is a reference model that describes how information from a software application in one computer moves through a physical medium to the software application in another computer. OSI consists of 7 layers, and each layer performs a particular network functions. And OSI model was developed by the International Organization for Standardization in 1984, and it is now considered as an architectural model for the intercomputer communication. OSI model divides the whole task into 7 smaller and manageable tasks. Each layer is assigned a particular task. Each layer is self-contained, so that task assigned to each layer can be performed independently. Next, this is what the characteristics of open system interconnection model. That's our application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link layer, and physical layer. First 4 layers is responsibility of the host layers called, and next 3 layers called responsibility of the network. The OSI model is divided into 2 layers, one is upper layers and is lower layers. First 4 layers called upper layers, and the next is 4 called lower layers. Okay, these are the 7 layers, namely physical layers, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer. The diagram shows the layers types and its managers. Application layer is this layer provide the service to the user, and presentation layer is it is responsible for translation, compression, and encryption. Session layer means it is used to establish, manage, and terminate the sessions. And transport layer means it provides reliable message delivery from process to process. And network layer is it is responsible for moving the packets from source to the destination. And data link layer means it is used for error free transfer of data frames. And last one is physical layers. It provides a physical medium through which are transmitted. Next, physical layer. Okay, and this physical layers there are considering two communications through the transmission medium. Okay, the diagram is representing like that. The main functionality of the physical layer is to transmit the individual bits from one node to another node. It is the lowest layer of the open system interconnection model. It establishes, maintains, and deactivates the physical connection in it. It specifies the mechanical, electrical and procedural network interfaces and specifications. There are some functions in it, like line configuration, data transmission, topology, and signals. Line configuration means it defines the way how to how two or more devices can be connected physically. And data transmission, it defines the transmission mode, whether it is simplex mode or off duplex mode or full duplex mode between two devices on the network. Next, topology defines the way how network devices are arranged. Next, signals, it determines the type of signals used for transmitting and information. Next, data link layer. Data link layer will receive the data from the network layer, and it will converting into a frames, multiple frames. So this layer is responsible for the error free transfer of data frames. It defines the format of the data on the network, and also it provides a reliable and efficient communication between two or more devices. Okay, it consists of two sub layers. One is logic link control layers and media access control layers. Okay, logic link control layers means it responsible for transferring the packets to the network layer of the receiver at this receiving, and also it provides it provides flow control and identify the address of the network layer protocol from the header. Next, media access control layer. Media access control layer is a link between the logical link control layer and the network's physical layer. It is used for transferring the packets over the network, and the functions of the data link layer are framing, physical addressing, flow control, and error control, and access control. Okay, this is about the OSI reference model, and we have seen about physical layer and data link layer from the 7 layers. Okay, let's see the remaining layers in the next class. Thank you.